Aimed at touring motor gliders, this presentation explores the essential procedures for precautionary landings. We will examine the characteristics of TMGs, understand the purpose of precautionary landings, outline step-by-step procedures, and highlight important safety considerations. We will begin by understanding touring motor gliders and their typical operations. Next, we will define precautionary landings and the pilot's decision-making involved. Then we will detail procedural steps from site selection to touchdown. Finally, we will cover safety practices and risk management to encourage safe landings. Touring motor gliders are unique aircraft, combining features of both powered and glider flight. Understanding their design and operational profiles is key when planning any landing procedure. Touring motor gliders feature self-launch capabilities, some with retractable engine capability too, allowing for extended range and versatility. Their aerodynamic design provides efficient glide performance, making them suitable for diverse flying conditions. TMGs are often used for cross-country touring, combining powered and gliding segments. Pilots manage engine use and soaring phases, requiring familiarity with both powered aircraft and glider flight characteristics. Precautionary landings are planned landings made when a potential safety concern arises, but before an actual emergency occurs. Understanding when and why to perform them is critical for safe operation. Precautionary landings are considered if there is any indication of deteriorating weather, mechanical issues, fuel concerns, pilot fatigue, or airspace closures. Early decision making helps prevent emergencies. Unlike emergency landings, precautionary landings are controlled and planned without immediate threat to safety, allowing time for site selection and communication. Pilots assess aircraft condition, environmental factors, and available landing sites to decide whether a precautionary landing is appropriate, balancing safety and operational considerations. Executing a safe precautionary landing involves careful site selection, configuring the aircraft properly, and managing approach and touchdown with precision. Pilots must choose a suitable landing area, considering surface conditions, obstacles, wind direction, and to some extent accessibility. Early identification allows better approach planning. Proper configuration includes appropriate flap settings, engine power management, and establishing a stable approach path to ensure control and safety during landing. Executing a controlled descent with adjusted speed and alignment is vital. Smooth touchdown and timely use of controls minimize risk and protect the aircraft and occupants. Safety is paramount during precautionary landings. Identifying hazards, maintaining communication, and preparing for post-landing procedures helps manage risks effectively. Hazards such as uneven terrain, obstacles, or unexpected weather changes must be anticipated and mitigated through careful planning and pilot awareness. Informing air traffic control of the landing intentions ensures coordination, assistance if required, and enhances overall flight safety during the precautionary procedure. After landing, securing the aircraft, conducting checks, and arranging recovery or repairs are essential steps. Safety during ground operations remains a priority. Precautionary landings in touring motor gliders require a thorough understanding, timely decision-making, and disciplined execution of procedures. Adhering to these guidelines enhances safety and helps pilot manage potential risks effectively. Here is a typical farm strip shown from the road. Could you identify this farm strip from the air and successfully make a precautionary landing here? Here's an animation of a precautionary landing. First circuit, we'll take down to about 500 feet to have a look at the suitability of the field. The second circuit, we're going to go a bit lower this time. I'm going to have a look at the surface, down to about 50 feet. The third circuit, we're going to continue round with the intention of a full stop landing. Hopefully this presentation has given you an understanding of how to carry out a successful precautionary landing.